guys, today I'm gonna show you this super duper easy natural makeup look. This is what I pretty much wear every day when I feel like wearing makeup, because let's be honest, wearing makeup every day is very draining. Wait, I'm a makeup channel, I'm not supposed to say that. Never mind, wear makeup every day, like my videos. So I'm gonna pretty much show you just how to get this cute, sweet, natural, kind of sparkly, because we still want to have fun, we're not gonna be boring. Also I am still sick, so yeah, so let's get started. Okay, for this everyday makeup look tutorial, we're gonna start with my foundation, and for the glam look we used a lot of foundation. For everyday look we're only gonna use 2 squirts. And I'm gonna apply it down in my mirror, don't fret. Once again doing my neck like Kim Kardashian says. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and then a blend. This look is super simple, super easy, no downtime. It's what I wear every day to school. Sometimes I take the easy route and don't wear any makeup, and the only reason I do that is thanks to these blessed fake lashes. Just a little quick shout out to Ramona of Flawless Forever Beauty. Thank you for these. And once again, we're outlining under eye, above the lip, the chin, the nose, any place that would have like a highlight to make it look a little brighter. And we're blending again. And for this easy makeup look, we don't go as hard with the eyebrows. The eyebrows are just for glam, and I know everyone loves the eyebrows. They only come out to play on special occasions, so you'll just have to wait. A lot of people wanted this easy makeup look, like everyday look, but I will do a back to school look as well, but people seem to want the natural, so I went with that first. And we're just applying the powder all over the face again, because we struggle. I apply the powder in a blotting motion rather than dusting it on the face, because blotting it like this actually makes everything look much smoother, and dusting it just sets it on your skin, but blotting it really gets it in. I don't know if I'm saying anything true, but that's what I think is true. I could just be making some stuff up, but it works for me, so it could work for you too. Okay, we're gonna do like a super duper easy brow. This is for days when I'm feeling like super lazy and super not into spending 20 minutes just doing my eyebrows. So doing is super easy, but still defined, so you still get that the look that everyone will be like, wow, your eyebrows are amazing. You're gonna start with a little bit of brow pomade, not like the Glam Brow, which is like a lot of brow pomade, but just a little bit. And I'm gonna look in my mirror because I need to. And you're gonna go underline your eyebrow, so you're gonna get this beautiful underline. It's pretty much just like coloring, just keep yourself in the lines. I'm gonna do it on the other side too, because if I just did one side that would look super weird. That wasn't funny. One thing I forgot to mention is to get the underline first, you should brush your eyebrows upwards. Give yourself that crazy professor look. Got that Back to Future Doc look going on. And so once you have this underline, you're gonna line the top a little bit, but go super light because we're not trying to scare anybody with our eyebrows. Today isn't the day for aggressive Gene. I don't remember his last name. He's got crazy eyebrows though. An important thing to remember when you're doing your eyebrows is not to make the arches too high. You don't want to look like Will Poulter, because then you'll look crazy. So once I've filled in the middle part, that's when I start to blend. And then we have these nice, light, not too aggressive eyebrows, and we're gonna take some brow gel and just brush them out, make them look nice and natural. Looking good. She cute. Next for eye makeup, I like to do a super simple, like I'm really into Korean beauty and Japanese beauty, and they sort of do this super cute tiny little eye flick that I really like, so that's what I try to mimic. It doesn't really work as well. It doesn't look as good on me because of the shape of my eyes, but it's still cute. So we're basically creating a flick with my bronzer actually, because it's my favorite. I like a darker lid. I mean, it kind of makes me look tired, but at the same time it also makes me look intimidating, and if that's the only goal I have in life is to look intimidating enough to keep people at bay, then I think I'm doing a pretty good job with the brows and the dark eyes, because in reality I'm like the nicest person ever, and I'm pretty not intimidating. In fact, I'm super goofy and ridiculous. So if I can hide that for even 20 minutes with my makeup, and we go underneath and we create almost a wing underneath. Because I have green eyes, this brown really makes my eyes pop, but I don't know what colors are good for other eye colors. I know brown is really good for green and blue, and purple is as well. So if you have green eyes like me, then do this. If you don't, well then you're gonna have to watch another makeup tutorial. And we still contour because the art of contour is never lost on even the most natural of makeup looks. We go a little lighter with the contour because we're going more natural, and really with this natural look, I just try to enhance my features because that's super important. With a natural look, you want to look natural, but you don't want to look dead. So we put a little blush to liven up this face, and we put blush everywhere because I say so. Continue the eye makeup. I take a little highlighter and I put it on my finger because I just want to do one spot, and I just highlight the corners and I highlight brows, and then I take a different, more subtle highlighter, Champagne Pop. My favorite highlighter. Twice in a row I have done this to it. Twice. The first time on Christmas, Merry Christmas to me, broken highlighter, great. The second time was on my birthday. I'm just trying to look cute, and here I am breaking all my favorite stuff. I still highlight every spot because you can make highlighter look normal. We take eyeliner again. It's really simple. Just make a quick flick in each corner, and then I take my glitter and go underneath my eye. It almost makes me look like I'm crying, but it really widens and makes your eyes stand out. And this glitter is my favorite. Oh my god, I love this glitter. For this natural makeup lips look, I take a little bit of lip scrub all the makeup off. Once I do that, I take a lip liner and I line inside my lips and start to smudge it out to get that like cute kind of plum, she cute, who's that kissable lips look. So this is the look. I'm just gonna go get ready real quick and show you the finished look. So here we have the finished look. I'm calling it easy, everyday natural makeup look, but with a little bit of spice, because even the most natural makeup looks, you still want to look cute. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot that you guys are so excited about these videos. Yeah, so please like and subscribe and comment and do whatever you feel I deserve. Also, please keep voting in my polls and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you.